Assalamu alaikum and good morning to all of my students, all my cute little friends, and whoever is watching this video right now. I hope and pray that you're all in very good health and you're enjoying the last 10 days of Ramadan. Going so well, Alhamdulillah. We're all enjoying. The weather is still not that hot. It's very pleasant and another new day in front of us, a beautiful present, and let's see what this present is going to give us. And from that, we have to give a lot to others, as this is the month of blessing. So we accept to receive so much of blessings, and in the same way, we also have to spread so much of blessing and like happiness, like caring, like sharing. So this is the month of caring and sharing, and a beautiful month that is almost going to be end, and we're going to then celebrate that at the end with the Eid. So that is even beautiful. But please do remember, you're not going to go and meet all your friends and relatives. You have to stay home, right? This, inshallah, must be the last time we'll be celebrating our Eid at home. Inshallah, the next Eid we will be celebrating all together. Inshallah, inshallah, inshallah. So let's start today's lecture. Right now we are in our numeracy class. And you know that in our numeracy class, we are doing numbers. We play with numbers, we learn about numbers. So we do a lot with the numbers. So today, even we are going to learn a different way of knowing numbers. And that will be a number line. Can you see a line over here? Yeah, that will be the number line, right? So there are different kinds of, there are different numbers we are doing, and we are going to do that today. And in that, we are going to learn the concept of the numbers, which I'm going to tell you that which is the bigger and which is the smaller. So we are going to do the comparison of the numbers. Okay, so this is our number line, and this goes towards there because you can see the arrow over here, right? That's the arrow. So this is the arrow over there. We are going to follow the numbers. So the arrow is going over there, right? So that means the numbers will be going over there. So we are going to start from here, right? So let's start. We are going to start. Okay, now we are going to start with the first number, and that is, yes, that is 0. So we are going to start up with 0, right? I hope you can see that 0, right? Is it clear to you? Okay, that's great. Okay, so we are going to put number 1. Yes, number 1, right? Yay, that's great. You know what comes after number 1? Yes, number 2. So we are going to put here number 2, right? Then, yes, number 3, right? And number 4, then number 5, number 6, right? Okay, what comes after number 6? We're going to put number 7. Yes, number 7. Then 8 and 9, right? So we're going to do till 9, but you can see that the arrow is still going. Okay, so I'll just show you the arrow. Okay, see, the arrow is going over there, so that means the number will be increasing. There are numbers after 9 that we will even do later on, but right now we are just going to do from 0 till 1. Sorry, it's from 0 till 9, right? We are going to just do that. So I will just put the board a little over here so you can see that. Okay, right? So this is that. Now we have a small animal which wants to jump to the numbers. So from 0 to 1 and telling you all the numbers, right? So this is a small cute little monkey. See, he's happy. Hello. So he wants to start from here. So he wants to be here, right? So he's going to jump and he's going to tell you the number line. So come on, his name is Jackie. So Jackie, come on, jump to number 1. Yay. Yay. So Jackie jumped on number 1. Then Jackie jumped on the second number. Yeah, this, yeah, okay. Jackie jumped up to number 2. Then, yay, number 3, number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. That's great. So Mr. Jackie wants to be with us here. He don't want to go. So we will want him to stay over here, right? Okay, I'll just make your seat to put you on the board, right? Now the Jackie is going to tell us that which is the bigger number and which is the smaller number, right? So they are going from here to there. Like if you are facing the board, that is going to start from your left hand and going towards your right hand, right? So we are going to ask our friend Jackie to stand over here, right? Okay. Now, if we want to ask Jackie to jump on the bigger number, right? Bigger than 1, right? So he is going to jump on bigger than number 1. And what that will be? Yes, that will be number 2. Okay, so now if you ask him to jump onto the number bigger than 4, right? And we are going to ask Jackie to jump onto the number bigger than 4. So which is the number bigger than 4? Yes. 1, 2, yay. Bigger than 4. 5 is bigger than 4. Yeah, that's great. Okay, so if you're going to ask Jackie that, please jump back to the number that is less than 2. That is lesser than 2. This is bigger, but that is lesser, right? So lesser than 2, Jackie, which number is lesser than 2? 2. Yeah. Lesser than 2 is 1, right? So the thing which I am going to make you understand is that if you're going towards the arrow, the number are increasing, right? And they will be increasing and increasing and increasing. So if you come back, the numbers are decreasing, right? They're coming down. Okay, now we're going to ask Jackie, tell us the number greater than 6, right? Now, Jackie, gives the number which is greater than 6, bigger than 6, right? So are you listening? Okay, so Jackie says yes. So he jumps and jumps and jumps. Bigger than 6, he's on 6, and then bigger than 6. What comes after 6? Yes, that comes 7. That is great. So 7 is bigger than 6, right? If you look at this number line, this is in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we have 0 as well. So here the numbers are increasing, and over there the numbers are decreasing, right? Now we are going to ask, we are going to give Jackie a couple of numbers over here, and we will ask him to just give us the bigger number. So he will just sit with the bigger number, and he is going to show us that the bigger number is where he is going to sit. Okay, so we are just going to put our tape over here. So we will just give him the numbers right now here, and here. Okay, now here are the two numbers. Now we are going to give Jackie the numbers. So he is going to tell us the greater and the smaller number, right? So we're going to tell him, okay, Jackie. Now Jackie is going to tell us which is the greater number and which is the smaller number. I hope you can see that. Otherwise, I can just replace it because this is very, very the color is a little light. So I want you to just have a look at that carefully. So this looks nice. 5. Just put it just near to that. Right, 5. And this is number 3. So I just replace it with the yellow one, 2. Okay. So you can see that clearly. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Okay, so we have two numbers now from the number line, right? We have got number 5 and we've got number 3. Now Jackie is just in the middle of these numbers. Jackie is going to tell us that which number is greater and which number is smaller. Okay, now Jackie is going to tell you and you're going to tell me if he is right or wrong. Now Jackie, you're going to tell us that the greater number from these two, you're going to tell us which is the greater number. Okay, he wants to put it. Is he right? Is 3 the greater number? No, very good. Yes, 5 is the greater number because 3 is after 5. Sorry, before 5. So, and then 5 is after 3 and they're growing, growing, growing. So this is smaller. So he grows, 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 and he is 5. So 5 is greater. That's great. Okay, so we will give him another word, another number. Jackie, we will give you another number here, right? Oh, stick. Okay, Jackie, let's see if you can just tell us that number. So the next number is number 8. Okay, and here we're going to put the other number, and that will be number. Okay, I'm going to put that over here, right? Okay, now we have two numbers. We have got number 8 and we have got number 4, right? We have got already two numbers. So we're going to ask Jackie, which number is smaller, right? Now, Jackie, you're going to tell us which number is smaller, 8 or 4. Now, Jackie is jumping, jumping, jumping. Now, Jackie is going to tell us which is the smaller number. Yay, that's good. That's great. Yes, Jackie, 4 is the smaller number and 8 is the greater number. That is very, very good. 8 is the greater number and 4 is the smaller number. Okay, now we are going to give Jackie another number, right? Now let's see what Jackie comes up with. Now the next number is number. Okay, hold on. The next number is number 9. Jackie, you stay here. Okay. Number 9 and number. Let's see, let me find another number. Okay, I have this. We're going to put over here. Okay, now next we have number 2 and number 9, right? We have number 2 and number 9. And Jackie is going to tell us that which is the bigger number. Okay, Jackie, jump and tell us that which is the bigger number. And Jackie is jumping and thinking. So he said, yay, this one. Oh, that's great. 9 is the bigger number, right? Over here, can you see 9 is the bigger number? And then 2 is the smaller number, right? Did you get that? 9 is the bigger number and 2 here is the smaller number, right? So this is the way we understand a number line. The arrow is growing, the numbers are growing, and they are even after 9, they all are greater number than 9. They'll be growing and growing and growing, right? So this way, Jackie has told us that how the numbers are increasing, and if they're going towards your right hand, so that means they are increasing. And if they're going to your left hand, so that means they are decreasing, right? Did you get that? So we are going to look at this again. So we have got numbers from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And 1 is greater than 0, 2 is greater than 1, 3 is greater than 2, 4 is greater than 3, then 5 is greater than 4, 6 is greater than 5, 7 is greater than 6, 8 is greater than 7, and 9 is greater than 8, right? So they are increasing, so they are getting greater and greater and greater, right? So today we have done the single digits over here, and we will be doing the double digits even later on to understand the number line. But this was the number line for today, in which we have just discussed the single digit numbers, and we have seen how the numbers are growing, and we did the concept of greater and smaller numbers, right? So this was today's class, and I'm going to say goodbye from this class, and I'll see you in the next class, inshallah, soon. Till then, Jackie is saying bye-bye, and he's saying, please stay safe, be happy, and be grateful. See, he's so happy. So we'll see each other soon, inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz and bye-bye.